Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer syndication documents with RealtyMogul, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring syndication documents with RealtyMogul, visit the RealtyMogul website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the syndication documents section on the dashboard. Click on the Transfer Documents option. Select the specific documents you wish to transfer from your library. You will see a prompt to enter the recipient's email address. Ensure the email address is accurate to avoid any transfer issues. After entering the email, choose the appropriate sharing permissions. You can decide whether the recipient can view or edit the documents. Double-check all your selections before proceeding. Once satisfied, click on the Transfer button. A notification will confirm the transfer is successful. The recipient will receive an email with access details. Instruct the recipient to check their inbox for the notification. They may need to create an account if they do not already have one. Once they log in, they'll find the transferred documents in their account. If there are any issues during the process, consult the support section on the RealtyMogul website. Consider reaching out to customer support for additional assistance. Keep a record of all transferred documents for your files. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transfer experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.